Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the work area electrically neutral and stable. Clear at least 0.5 meter around the part and remove anything that generates lint. Attach your grounded wrist strap. Make sure it reads continuity to the same ground point as the bench. Now pick up the Zerostat spacer, note the alignment tabs, and place it gently onto the target surface so the contact pads sit flush. Once seated, confirm the spacer does not rock, because stable contact matters for consistent charge control. Now you need to establish reliable electrical contact and choose the right mode. Press the Zerostat spacer evenly, use both hands, and feel for the tactile click that indicates full seating. Select discharge mode 1 for gentle bleed or mode 2 when you need fast equalization. Make that choice based on component sensitivity. Watch the onboard meter while you hold the spacer. Aim to bring the charge value within plus or minus 5% of your baseline. If reading, finish by holding the Zerostat spacer in firm contact for the recommended interval, usually between 5 and 15 seconds depending on the component mass, so the charge equalizes fully. When time is up, lift the spacer straight up. Never slide it off, because lateral movement can reintroduce static. Finally, verify the meter shows steady, neutral values before declaring the task done. If you still see residual charge, clean the spacer contact pads, reconfirm your ground path, and repeat the procedure immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.